Hi guys, my name is Mina and I'm from Iran. I've done laser O2 in Iran, and after the treatment I got lots of pigmentation on my skin. So one day I was sad and upset and I met one of my friends. She told me that don't be sad, don't be crying, go to Dr. Victoria's clinic. They can help you. That's what they did. So I came here and I've been seen by Dr. Emmeline, and she suggested me to use some of the skincare products, and I am happy. As you can see, my skin, and also Hannah, one of the beauticians here, told me to have red carpet facial, and I am getting this facial every month. Very happy with that, and you can see the result in my skin. So don't forget to come to Dr. Victoria's clinic.